Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can style your text in your Instagram story using AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to go to my Instagram application, and this is one of the new features from Instagram guys. If you haven't seen this feature on your Instagram account, you can update your Instagram application, or you just need to wait until it comes, because I haven't seen the feature on my second Instagram account. Okay, I'm going to create a story. I'm going to choose this photo. Okay, and I'm going to add text. I'm going to add dream world. Okay, and there is a new font called this journal font. Yeah, it looks aesthetic. And if you want to add style to your text, you can go to this menu. Okay, and there will be some styles or effects that you can try. I'm going to try the wait. I'm going to select this one, acorns, and let's see how the text looks like after the styling. Okay. Oh, it's cool, guys. This is how the text looks like. Okay, and if you if you're satisfied, you can click on done. And if you want to remove it, just drag to delete. And let me try another style. Okay, like this, and I'm going to choose for instance, sparkles. Okay, let's see. Yeah, hold on guys. Oh, okay. And I'm going to click on done, and I'm going to place it here. Okay, that's so cool. Okay, you can also restyle your photo guys if you want, but I just want to restyle my text. Okay, and that's how we can restyle text in our Instagram story using AI. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.